This is the moment. I'm actually feeling quite nervous for him.
Where's he going?
Be careful! This is the moment! Wait! Now! Now!
No!
Did you get him?
I did get him, look. Yes!
And after a memorable morning on the water, we have definitely earned our swordfish lunch. A fish so delicious that all it needs is a simple salsa verde. This is the steak that I'm using. It's a little bit like tuna. Make sure that the thickness more or less is about your finger like that. So we're gonna make sure that in the middle is nice and medium rare. So a little olive oil. I know that Luciano is gonna absolutely love this. Then touch your salt, like that, rub all around. Griddle pan nice and hot, or a barbecue, straight in there. Look. Now, by the time this is cooked, I'm gonna prepare a nice salsa verde. So we're gonna put this here. For the salsa verde, I'll go nice parsley. Flat leaf parsley, of course. Then in there, I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic. This is a very easy, fast recipe to do. I'm using capers in vinegar. Then I'm gonna put anchovies in oil. Those one there, just drain them and put them on the salsa verde, and I'm gonna use a few olives. Now this is a great sauce to learn because this sauce goes with any kind of fish. Even if breast of chicken on the barbecue, this is the sauce to have. Healthy as well. Oh yes. When the top of the raw side is going opaque, like that, fantastic. The fish is ready to be turned. Ingredients for the salsa verde, it goes into a bowl, like that. Oil goes on top, switch off the heat because this is done. Put a little bit of black pepper. One whole lemon goes in there. Like this, mix all together. And that's what it is, nice and rustic, lots of colors, flavor, beautiful. Now it's time to plate up. And I'm finishing it with some frisee salad and a drizzle of that vibrant salsa verde. From the Sheila Sea to my plates.
Go on, tuck in, tell me what you think. You like swordfish, do you?
Yeah, I really like it.
It's one of the things that when I was a kid, it was very expensive to buy.
How is something so simple this good?
The secret is not to overcook it.
Yeah.
And the other thing as well, with the salsa verde, what many people don't understand, there is not really such a recipe of salsa verde, because if you want to translate...
Green sauce.
Yeah, it's translated into green sauce.
It's good.
No, this is not good, this is excellent.